What's up with a smash burger? What's up with Oklahoma onion smash burgers? Well, I found a dude. His name's Leland Goodman, and he's gonna show us how to make a smash burger on his flat top.
So the first thing that we start off with is a quarter cup, and we're going with 80-20 beef. Basically, you just take a loose form patty, like or a loose form ball. So real loose formed, and basically half of it's in the quarter, half of it's outside the quarter. Easy day, right? Take that, flip it right down there like that, and then we're gonna set these aside. Flaked salt, just on one side is all that's really needed. Is a light sprinkle, and then you hit it with just a quick little bit here of cracked pepper or ground pepper. These are Vidalia sweet onions. Use this meat slicer, and you cut these things so thin you can basically see through them. And I will talk a little bit about this ingredient, but I really love brioche buns. And the secret to them is a little bit of mayo, okay? You don't taste this, but it's just a thin layer of mayo. Anyway, you butter both of these, or excuse me, you mayonnaise both of these very thinly. I'm a 2 cheese guy, and I like to do offset kind of thing so it looks all pretty when the cheese melts down, it gets everywhere. And we've got our bacon for the kids. And then I like to get a little fancy too. These are banana peppers. So I chop these really thin, take the seeds out. Another thing is, for you guys out there, this isn't typical for onion smash burger, and it's only gonna go on the kids' ones, with the ones with bacon, but it's shredded lettuce. So for me, that bottom bun, and while you get that sear, it keeps all the juice from like making your bun soggy. Pickle and mustard, that's it. All right, you about ready?
Go for it, man. Whenever you're ready to roll, just go.
Just so you guys know, we're air frying tots down below. So we're waiting to let those things get all nice and crispy on us right now. I'm just using a little bit of spray extra virgin olive oil. So I need to get these buns seared up in a nice room first, while it's still clean. So we're gonna put these on here. It'll go pretty quick. On mine, I like to give them a little bit of a spin too. And then you get something like looks like that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna lay down our bacon. So these are cast iron, and you have these heating up on the Blackstone griddle top while you're getting ready to lay down the bacon. So these are preheated. So really, we might have to barely flip these.
Right.
So
because the other side's already cooking it.
exactly. So as you can see, look at these. They're basically money. It's already done. So the banana peppers, we'll move them over. Otherwise, you'll see it look like popcorn. Get your burgers down. We got our onion. See that wad?
Yeah.
That's a big old wad. I gotta tell you too, that's one onion.
That's just one onion sliced up real thin.
The parchment paper, and lay it all on that like that. And then you put down your spatula, and then if you're lucky, you don't drop one, but I did. You use your that away. It doesn't need that much heat.
Wow, look at that.
Same thing, same ball game. Smash it, and smear it.
That's awesome. That's a great trick. I love the parchment paper.
All right, and so you see how the juice starts to come up here at the top, just like that. And you give it a flip. There you go, like that one. Get nice crust on there. You get a nice crust all the way across there. And give these a flip.
Nice.
So you got a nice little crust going on there.
That crust, that sear looks
Yeah. And so you can see these onions here too, cooking way down. So we're already going to need to put the cheese on them.
Oh, here
And
we
remember,
go.
these ones are going to be doubled.
That's one burger and one.
You put the
Let it
burger
rock.
down like that. Put the top on it like that. All right. If you want to get real fancy and you're like, crap, I'm gonna burn this too quick. What?
Steam it up. Look at this. He's got a
What
lid.
is that?
Leland's.
Anyway, here we go. That's that. And now,
Wow, look at that.
final.
Oh, look.
Layer it down there like, whoop, almost lost them. Like that, and then you just do a slide.
Oh man.
Wow.
Bam!
Yeah.
Just straight, just dripping juice. So here we go. Salt down. these particular ones, though, the kids wanted some of that bacon on there. Bun goes down, top on, top there, bottom sticking up, and they're almost melted and already ready. Oh my goodness.
Wow, look at that thing.
Look at that.
Yeah, good luck shoving that in your mouth, man. Oh my God, dude. That's crazy town.
Oh, wow.
Oh man, look at that.
Oh, that's perfect.
So we got bacon on there. We got a little bit of onion going. What I like to do is the chili first and nacho cheese because nobody can get it because it's not theirs. Hit with a little bit of pickled jalapeno. These ones are getting double onions. Get it with the ranch. Me personally on mine, I'm adding a little bit of these bad boys on there, the banana peppers. That's just me. I like a little bit more spicy. The rest of the family doesn't. That's okay. That one's for Dad.
Yeah,
Who says you gotta go to fast food when you could get that?
That's crazy town, man.
Yeah, you don't need to go anywhere.
Oh my God, dude. There's no way you're gonna eat it in your mouth.
Bro, look at all that juice.
Wow.
Ready for this? I'm just gonna take the bite. I have to.
Here goes.
I have to. You ready for this?
Do it. Yeah.
All right, here we're doing one for the kid.
Okay, there she goes.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, that is a true testament.
Way to go, Dad.
So here, let's look at this. Here, bud.
Oh man, nice.
All right, Traven's going in for the other half.
Uh-oh, going in for the other half?
Yeah!
Well, it's great having you on, Leland and Ronnie and all you guys. So awesome. Thanks for tuning in, Dads That Cook. We're looking for dads like you that know how to cook killer meals for your family. That's what we're all about, right?
Heck yeah.
You bet. Just like this dad.
Thank you so much, both of you. Thank you.
Awesome.
We had a blast.
Awesome stuff, guys. Hey, we'll see you guys next time.